So I'm putting lashes. I thought I'll make a small video. I'll never make a lash video how I put it. So I thought I'll just do it quickly, separately. So I have done this Eid look. Lipstick is still there. I have to do the hair. But I have chosen this crazy lashes. They are very big lashes. I've ordered it from Amazon. You can find the link below. So you can see the size of these lashes, how big they are. I'll just remove and show you. So one of my client had those and her sisters were having those, and I was like, wow, I must try it. See how big they are. Oh my god. So how you will start, I'll just measure the lashes whether it will fit my eyes or not, and it seems to be okay. Yep. So I'll take the glue. Now it is the eye waterproof, and you can easily find it online. So I'm just putting the glue on the edge and little bit on this inside the band, because this inside will rest on your actual eyes, and this edge will be in the perpendicular, if I'll say. So you must have to apply the glue inside as well, not much, otherwise it will go inside the eyes, just so that it can rest and stick to the lashes. The way I apply lashes, I don't like that it should look वो अलग से ऐसे दिखना नहीं चाहिए. साथ में it should not come out till the time I scratch it out. I'll just pull it out. So let's see how. So this glue will take around 30 seconds or 1 minute to just become little tacky. Tacky means when you फेविकॉल होता है ना, जैसा कि जब when you press it and you'll see the strings, that is when you have to apply the lashes. अभी आप apply करोगे it will move and it will not stick properly, और वो पूरा आई शेडो जो आपने आई मेकअप किया वो भी सब खराब हो जाएगा. I think this, as if you want to check, you see now it will stick, right? So before putting it, just stretch your lashes something like this, and then just turn them like this. It will become little flexible, otherwise it will be very stiff. So let's apply. So I'll put it in the middle and just close my eyes, और बीच में ऐसे रख के छोड़ दूँगी. अगर अभी टैकी नहीं होती तो ये यहाँ पे स्टिक नहीं होती. और लास्ट में इनसाइड कॉर्नर को अप्लाई करूँगी. ओह माय गॉड यार, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है, बट आई हैव टू डू इट टुडे. So क्योंकि ये टैकी है, ये इंस्टेंटली चिपक गई, एंड आई कैन एडजस्ट इट राइट नाउ. आई कैन स्ट्रेच इट, आई कैन लिटिल मूव इट, और साथ में आई लैशेस को, सॉरी, जो आई मेकअप है उसको ख़राब भी नहीं करेगी. दिस इज़ अ ट्वीज़र. आई एम जस्ट लैशेस अगर आपको अप्लाई करना है, यू हैव टू गिव सम टाइम so that it can stick properly. I'll just little bit press from here, and simultaneously I'm pushing it down little. So you can see that there is no line separate, you can see from the original line, and this is what I like, and I want to put my lashes like this. It should be seamless. Though the band of this eyelash is very pathetic, it's not transparent, it's very thick, so it's difficult for people to actually get it done like seamless. So now what I'm doing, I'm just using my hand and sticking the real lashes, and so that when you see from the side, your original lashes and your fake lashes should club. It should not look separate. Do if you feeling like I am feeling that there is some gum here which is sticking both the lashes up and down, so I'll just take the mascara and इससे you will see the original lashes will stick to the fake lashes instantly, and then even it opens up your eyes little and you can move your eyes little properly now. Otherwise it was like, now you can see, and Insta change. I think I like too much natural looks, and this is like out of my comfort zone, but it looks pretty. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. So what do you guys think? Is it too crazy or is it beautiful? And if you have any queries, just write something and ask me. I am happy to answer. Bye.